At Stokley Properties, we know that the success of your rental property starts with finding the right tenant. The right tenant protects your investment, pays on time, and treats your property with care. That's why our tenant placement process is built to attract and select the very best applicants. We use both in-house leasing specialists and trusted external leasing agents to cast the widest net possible. This means your property is marketed to a large pool of potential renters, giving you more qualified applicants to choose from. From day one, our team works to showcase your property in its best light. Professional photography, compelling property descriptions, and placement on high-traffic rental listing sites ensure maximum exposure. We also tap into our professional networks, community connections, and targeted marketing campaigns to bring in serious renters fast. Once we generate interest, we make the process convenient and accessible. We schedule showings at times that work for prospective tenants, answer questions quickly, and provide a smooth application experience. The more applicants we bring in, the higher the chances of securing the perfect tenant for your property. At Stokley Properties, we don't just find tenants, we find the right tenants so you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your property is in good hands.